Hello everyone, welcome to the IFS, and we have a special guest with us now. They qualified their IIT JAM examination with good rank. So please introduce yourself.
Myself, Moithili Devnath. I live in Kalyani, West Bengal.
Mhm.
I did my graduation in Botany Honours from Bethune College under University of Calcutta, and I also completed my masters in botany from University of Calcutta.
Oh, your masters you have done your masters also,
Yes,
right?
yes, in
Nice,
botany.
nice. तो आपने कितने टाइम से प्रिपेयर किया खुद को IIT JAM के लिए?
So I have came to know across IIT JAM a few months before,
Mhm.
and then I saw the various lectures on IFS platform. It was so amazing that it attracted me a lot for the preparation. All the lectures, the marathon series, question answer prediction were amazing. So I was little much excited to explore about IIT JAM. So I prepared for the exam.
So what is your future plans right now? Because you have done your masters, so are you doing your masters again?
I let's see. I have and set West Bengal set. So let's see what's the best option, and then I will
You will
decide.
decide ki what to do, right? Very nice. So
Yes,
what
yes.
was your strategy while you are preparing for this exam? आपने कैसे प्रिपेयर किया खुद को कि आपने इतना
Yes.
बड़ा स्टेप है कि मास्टर्स के बाद भी आप फिर से आईआईटी जाम को टारगेट कर रही है, तो पहले तो खुद को
Mhm.
कैसे आपने माइंड को बनाया एंड व्हाट वाज योर स्ट्रेटजी?
My strategy was I regularly followed IFS lectures and IFS platform each and every day. The question answer analysis, each and everything was very much helpful. And one thing I must mention about is the PYQ solve and the books published by IFS. They are amazingly very much helpful. I would suggest every IIT JAM aspirants, GATE aspirants, and whatever exam, IIT JAM books are the most helpful one. And if the books along with the questions are practiced daily, then there is a great chance to crack the exam positively.
Nice. So along with IIT JAM, did you
Hmm.
target any other examinations or only
Yes.
IIT JAM?
No, I target other exams. I targeted West Bengal set and I have cleared it in December 2024.
Okay.
I have target GATE Life Science and I have also cleared it in in March 2025. The results were out a few days on 19th March. And now I'm preparing for CSIR NET for the upcoming exam.
Nice, nice. And congratulations for all the exams you have
Thank you
cleared,
so
and
much.
best wishes to your upcoming examination. So I want to ask you, what was your reaction and what was your family's reactions while you saw the result?
I was very much excited, and my family members are very much proud and happy, and all our grateful. We are all grateful for to the IFS team, the entire faculties. It was only possible for their efforts each and every day. All the
Yes.
students connected with IFS are indeed very much fortunate for getting such a best platform all over India.
Thank you from the all the IFS faculty, and we appreciate your dedication and आपने जो सिर्फ यूट्यूब को देख के या फिर जो भी आपने रिसोर्स आपके पास अवेलेबल थे उन सारे रिसोर्सेज को आपने यूज़ करके बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आपने प्राप्त किया है। और मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि ऐसे कौन से दो मिस्टेक्स है, व्हाट वाज द मिस्टेक्स यू डिड व्हाइल यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग एंड यू वांट टू टेल अवर एस्पिरेंट दैट you should not repeat it or you should avoid that mistakes?
For at first, there was the mistakes was the selection of questions. Negative markings were more.
Mhm.
For this, I would recommend everyone repeated practice and the mock test. The test series are very much helpful, which will eventually help in the better prediction of questions, which are helpful for me, which I can attempt, my strong points, and which questions to ignore. Because some questions may seem it very simple, but it has a hidden trick in it which makes it more prone to be faulty.
Right, exactly, exactly. So selection of question is very much important, because
Yes, yes,
IIT
yes,
JAM is all about negative marking. So you have to
yes,
precisely select your questions that you have
yes.
100% confidence that this question will 100% right, I am doing it. So आपको ऐसे तुक्के नहीं मारने हैं,
No,
है
no,
ना?
no.
तो उससे क्या होता है, जो आपके सही क्वेश्चंस है उसका भी कोई वैल्यू नहीं रह जाता है,
Hmm.
क्योंकि आपके गलत
Yes.
उसको निगेटिव कर देते हैं. राइट, वेरी वेरी वैलिड पॉइंट यू सेड. सो what is the message you want to share with our aspirants?
I want to share the key point is consistency and being attached with the IFS platform. Dedication and everything is possible.
Thank you for your precious time, and all the best for your upcoming future and upcoming examinations.
Thank you
I
so
wish,
much.
and all the IFS faculty wish, you should clear all this examination with good rank, and congratulations for now.
Thank you so much.